Teachers, have you noticed how quickly education is moving online? Blended and remote learning are now essential, but keeping students engaged can be a real challenge. How do we create professional, engaging video lessons without spending hours or breaking the bank? Well, I've got just the solution for you, DEEPBRAIN.io. This AI-powered platform transforms your lesson plans into dynamic video content with the help of virtual avatars. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Introduction to DEEPBRAIN.io. Welcome back to latest trends in education. I'm Dr. Lara, and today we're exploring a revolutionary tool called DEEPBRAIN.io. This platform is a game changer for teachers who want to bring their lessons to life, whether for online classes, blended learning, or even flipped classrooms. DEEPBRAIN.io lets you create AI-generated videos with professional-looking avatars, saving time and money while keeping students engaged. Let's see what makes it special. The problem: video creation challenges. Creating high-quality educational videos can be overwhelming. Filming requires technical skills, equipment, and time. Hiring actors or editors? That's expensive. And what about multilingual classrooms? How do you cater to diverse student needs? DEEPBRAIN.io simplifies all of this, giving you the tools to create polished, multilingual videos in minutes. DEEPBRAIN.io features for educators. Here's why DEEPBRAIN.io is perfect for teachers. Text-to-video conversion. Turn your lesson plans or lecture notes into videos with AI avatars. No filming required. AI avatars. These avatars look and act like real people, lip-syncing perfectly to your script. Multilingual support. Teach in multiple languages, making your content accessible to diverse classrooms worldwide. Customizable backgrounds. Match your videos look to your subject, be it a science lab, a history museum, or a serene study space. Quick updates. Need to tweak a lecture? Just edit the script and you're good to go. Use cases for teachers. Let me share some ways educators are using DEEPBRAIN.io. Animated tutorials. Perfect for explaining complex topics like math equations or scientific processes.
Hello,
language
I am
lessons.
a virtual human
Create
created
videos
using
in
DeepBrain
students'
TTS
native
technology.
languages, breaking down barriers to learning. On-demand lectures. Offer flexible learning options for students who need to revisit lessons at their own pace. For instance, a history teacher used the platform's avatars to simulate famous historical figures, making their lessons incredibly engaging. Pros and considerations. DEEPBRAIN.io is amazing, but here's a balanced look. Pros: saves time and effort, multilingual support for global classrooms. Cost-effective compared to traditional video production. Considerations: advanced customization, like subtle voice intonations, may be limited for experienced videographers. Subscription costs increase with advanced features, so budget accordingly. Accessibility and pricing. DEEPBRAIN.io offers a range of plans, a basic subscription to get you started, advanced plans with more features for larger projects. Whether you're an individual teacher or part of a school team, there's a plan that fits your needs and budget. Real-life impact. A teacher's story. One teacher shared how they used DEEPBRAIN.io to create a series of biology tutorials. They saved over 10 hours in production time. The multilingual feature allowed them to offer the same lessons in English and Spanish, reaching more students than ever before. That's the kind of transformation we're talking about. Closing and call to action. Teachers, it's time to level up your video content with DEEPBRAIN.io. Let AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, teaching. Want to give it a try? Check the link in the description for a free trial and explore its features.